Hello guys, good morning. Welcome back to another live trading video on my channel, The Equity Trader. Today is 24th of Jan and it's still about 10 minutes before the markets open. So my quick thoughts before the markets open that it's looking very bearish today. Nifty may go on for a gap down opening. Global cues are fairly negative, and in terms of the support, Nifty is right at the support level of 0.382, and also the last time Nifty rebounded from the similar place. So if it goes above 17,700, we'll be looking for buying opportunities, and if it goes below 17,600, we will be looking at selling opportunities. This week is going to be very volatile, and because of multiple reasons. One, there is Fed meeting happening, so the interest rates may go up and down. Then there is Indian budget which is coming up, so again that will affect the market. And of course, a lot of companies are declaring their results in the coming weeks, so there you can expect a certain level of volatility. So let's see how the market turns out, and I'll catch you whenever I take a trade. Hello guys, so I've taken up my first trade for the day. So this one is on JSWSTEEL. My entry trigger was closure below this candle. It has already started giving me wild momentum. As you can see, the current profit stands at about 80 rupees. Let's see if it does give a retrace. I'm going to update you very soon. So guys, as you can see, markets are falling really rapidly. So far, JSWSTEEL has also given me a profit of close to 150, 160 rupees. The only thing in this falling market is that, finding an entry point becomes really, really difficult. So if you look at the possible short trades that I could have taken, again, literally no place to enter here. Look at BSOF, look at the fall here. How do you define your risk reward? Where do you enter? There is no retracement. You can't look for support. So guys, there has been a sharp reversal in the market. As you can see, it has gone from 638 to almost 645, 7 points covered in less than 10 minutes. My profit is close to cost now. It's 54 rupees. And even if you look at Nifty is also giving a sharp reversal. So there is a possibility that it can take a rejection from here or here. Like this could be the rejection zone. So let's see if it goes on towards my target or hits my stop loss. Meanwhile, I'll have a look at other trades. So guys, as you can see, both my trades are running in losses. In fact, I've taken up another trade. This one is on LALPATHLab. Not as per my setup, but this one was for a quick momentum trade. There is some gap, so there is a high chance that the price is going to go downwards. Overall market is in a downtrend, so I've taken a bet here that the price will go and again touch the day's low. So my target is 2900, my entry is 2930, and some 19 points is my stop loss. So I'll update you if there's any movement here. So guys, like I said, it's finally facing rejection from this particular zone. Going back to the trades that I have taken, JSWSTEEL is again showing rejection in the second leg, and hopefully it can take my target this time. LALPATHLab, as you see, hasn't really moved much. It's taken a really strong support at 2930. I'll update you if there's any momentum. So LALPATHLab has hit my stop loss, sudden reversal. It's taken full 200 rupees from my account. So guys, I've taken up another trade, this time on Maruti. Again, the reason is in the morning it gave a rounding top followed by some consolidation, breakdown, retracement to its moving average, and then another breakdown. So I've entered it around midway, like I usually put limit orders. So, and my stop loss is above this particular region and yesterday's close. So let's see the JSWSTEEL. Let's see how it's performing. JSWSTEEL is moving steadily along with its moving averages. Currently the profit stands at 133. Let's see how it performs. And look at LALPATHLab. So if you notice, LALPATHLab almost came to, after taking my stop loss, it almost came towards the target, and then now it's again going back into the upward trajectory. So guys, quick update. I've taken up another trade. This one I have taken lesser risk. It's close to 100 rupees, keeping my target. I think it's about 100, but I have taken it as a 1:2.73 risk reward ratio. So the targets, if they are achieved, they would be pretty good. Again, the reason is very simple. It's purely a trend momentum trade. It fell down in the morning, retracement, fall, retracement. So I've tried to buy the retrace. It's again something new which I'm trying, may or may not work, but if it does, it's going to be a good strategy which I can implement on trending days. Apart from that, update on the current trades, Maruti is not so far going in my favor. It seems to have taken some kind of a support here. So, and JSWSTEEL, let's see, this is going to be a critical point because last time also it took a rejection from 10 EMA on 5-minute time frame. So hopefully this time it can do the same, and if it does take a rejection here, chances are that in this very fall it may even go on to hit the target. But right now, as you can see, everything is very close to my this one is very close to my cost. And let's see, I may be away from my screen for a while now, so I'll probably update you in half an hour or so. Hello guys, welcome back. Updates from both the trades. DELTACORP is hovering close to cost, so it's like kind of forming a contraction pattern like a triangle here. So once it gives a breakdown or breakout on either side, it's going to give a momentum. JSWSTEEL came very close to the target, missed it marginally by 0.05 points. So I'm hoping that once it takes another rejection, it should give a steady momentum and a target. So let's hope it happens sooner and there's no reversal here. And moving on to the next trade, Maruti actually hit my stop loss, and it hit the stop loss and now it's coming down. LALPATHLAB, like I showed you, it's shown tremendous downward movement. So yeah, these are the updates on the existing trades. I will update you if any of the trades reaches the target or the stop loss. Okay guys, so JSWSTEEL has finally hit my target. I've booked 306, and as you can see, DELTACORP is also giving the right kind of movement. Still waiting for it to break down this particular low and move towards the target. I'll update you. So guys, DELTACORP has finally given a strong closing below this support level, and it has also taken a very strong rejection from a 10 EMA on 5-minute time frame. So what I'm going to do right now is that I'm going to quickly trail my stop loss to these levels, which will bring my risk down to under 50 rupees. And I'm just going to trail the stop loss. So right now, as you can see, Delta has also come into profits, and JSWSTEEL is locked. So right now I'm finally close to break even for the day. I'll update you as and when it hits my target or stop loss. Hello guys, so quick update. DELTACORP gave a rapid momentum on the downside, almost came close to hitting the target, but then it gave the sharp hammer candle. Since then it has retraced to the 10 moving average on 5-minute time frame. Right now it's facing slight resistance from this. So the two possibilities, like I always mention, is that one is that it can break this particular high and go on at least till here. So my stop loss is still placed mostly close to the cost. And on the flip side, I'm expecting once this particular zone is broken, once it gives a strong closing below this zone, then I can think of trailing my stop loss here, because that would mean it has created a new swing low. So guys, markets are still looking very bearish. DELTACORP is kind of accumulating here. From the looks of it, I'm seeing this as a very tight range. What I'm going to do right now is I'm going to trail my stop loss to this level, 272, which will block my profits to about 100 rupees, and I'm going to let it run on the downside. So let's see. I'll update you. Hi guys, so it almost came close to hitting my trailing stop loss, which I placed at 272. It's taken the rejection again from this 271.85 level. So this is going to be very crucial. If it does take a rejection from here and then breaks this, then it should give me the target very easily. Otherwise, like I said, it now has formed a triple bottom pattern here, with this being the first bottom, this being the second bottom, and this being the third bottom. So chances like breakout, retest this, or it's going to go like this. So right now this candle is very motivating for me, because it shows that, and Nifty also kind of took support and then is finally giving rejection again. So let's see. Hi guys, so final update for the day. Uh, DELTACORP has taken away my stop loss, which I was pretty surprised about. So there's one very weird thing that has happened. So if you see 1356.09, this order has been executed at 272 1356, and if I go to these charts at 1356, which is this particular candle, it has made a high of 270. There is a difference of 2 points from the stop loss, so I don't know how it got triggered. If I see, there is a big momentum spike on the 1356 candle that has probably taken away my stop loss, but again it does not make any sense because the data is inconsistent with my, like it should be at 272, at least one spike close to the selling price. And I do sometimes, because there is a gap in trading view charts and Zerodha charts, so I checked here also. And even if I look here, this is the 1356 candle. This is the 1356 candle. This has made a high of 270. My stop loss is 272. So I don't know how this stop loss is triggered, which is very disappointing. So all in all, leaving aside everything, while it has been very unfortunate, leaving it aside, I have booked a nominal profit of 197.60, ending the day at break even. And again, it's been a very disappointing day, because today is one of those days when you should have a trade accuracy of 5 on 5. It's just been unfortunate that my execution wasn't up to the mark. Here it got triggered by points. Then again, JSWSTEEL went fine, but yeah, which is fine. I mean, I could have trailed it, but then again, you never know, because there are multiple supports coming up. So no issues here. Again, that was my personal choice. If a couple of them would have given me targets, I may have opted to trail my third trade. But here, if you look at it, it did hit the target eventually and is reversing exactly from there, but it hit my stop loss, unfortunately. Maruti, the trade I took in the morning, reversed, and then finally eventually ended up going to the target. Other trades which were there in my mind, this one I never entered because of the back-to-back green candles, but it could have given the target. This was another one. This was another one, so again this wouldn't have worked out, so it is fine. ONGC, I wanted to take advantage because it was going against Nifty, and Wipro again has been falling. So, but yeah, it's very difficult to predict these kind of falls, except if you just keep on, if you just sell close to the moving average and book it. So I think that's it for today, guys, and I'm going to try and figure out why this Zerodha glitch happened. And I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Hope you liked it. Please do like the video, share it with your fellow newbie traders, and do subscribe to my channel. And I hope to see more of you joining in the coming weeks. Thank you.